G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mix Up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit notification bell so you're updated every week when we release these videos. So this is our New Year's Eve, getting ready to party on into 2022 cocktail. All right, so we're calling this one the Champagne Popper. So let's get started. First step is we're going to put vanilla frosting around the outside of the glass. Just up the top's fine. So just grab a butter knife and be quite gentle with it, but just be generous, so that way when we do put our hundreds and thousands on the outside, they stick perfectly. All right, so then you can see I've got a little side plate just with hundreds and thousands. Just roll your glass and it will start to stick to the vanilla frost. What's not to love about a champagne popper? All right, next step is to pour 30 mils of vanilla vodka directly into the glass. Then you're going to grab either a champagne or Prosecco. We're using Prosecco today, and we will top the glass up, I'd say about 3/4 of the way with Prosecco. All right, and a little bit of the secret sauce is the Sprite, and you're going to top that up to just above or just below where we've got the vanilla and hundreds and thousands going around the outside. Drop a straw in and you are good to go. Enjoy.